Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. So today I'm gonna share with you what's in my nail desk. This is my nail desk right here. This is my office slash work studio. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so this is my nail desk. This is where I create all of my nail content and I do my own nails. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start from the top of the desk and then work my way down. So most of the stuff I got from Amazon. This light right here with this arm extender is from Amazon. Also this slim light that I turn on so I can see, I got this from Amazon as well. My nail lamp is from XoXo. My armrest, I think I got this from like Temu or AliExpress. I got this cute little phone desk holder. I got this from I think like Five Below or like the dollar store. These little cute picture frames that I'm gonna print out some stuff and put in here. I got those from Home Goods, so I got 2 of those and they're super cute. Let's go around. This is a nail bit holder, and I also got this from Amazon. It's by the brand Macart, but this is where I keep all my nail bits. So I got that. I got this like lint roller for my stamping, and I got this from Amazon. It's super cute. It's pink, of course, and it just closes, and I have that. My e-file is from the brand from Koopa. It's the brand Koopa. I had this for ever since I graduated high school. Not high school. Ever since I graduated nail school. So I got that, and I think it was about like $300, but I got it on sale, so I got it for like $250. And then my armrest or elbow rest is from Amazon as well. And this lamp right here, which I use to do my Apres Gel X extensions, this is from Amazon. I will try to link everything that I can down below. And you guys, look at the top of my desk. It's so pretty, right? So let's talk about the actual desk. The desk and the top, okay, this top right here and the drawers and these legs over here are from Ikea. The actual top is from Home Depot. I will link it down below. This is an actual super long, I think it's like 42 inches tile. And I forgot where I got this from. I think I got it from either TikTok or Instagram. I saw a nail tech and she got it from somebody else, like the idea. You go to Home Depot, you buy this piece of tile, and then you put it on top of your Ikea tabletop. And this was, I think, like $33, and it's so pretty. It's really pretty to do, you know, your nail videos or to take pictures. And this is how it looks with no light. And then this is with the light on. Really pretty. And then my chair is from Home Goods. I just got something that I could easily wipe down. Okay, so this is the way it looks when I'm sitting at the desk. And usually I have the person that I'm doing their nails on the other side, and I just sit here. And I'm left-handed, so most of my stuff is on my left-hand side, so I could grab what I need, do the nails, and go about my business. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the actual drawers. All right, and then also too, these little knobs, I got these from Home Goods. And I will link the video down below of me upgrading the desk. Okay, so these little containers are from the dollar store, and I just got some buffers, some files, some more buffers, some wooden cuticle pushers, some little swabs, some sanding bands, some nail bits, lint-free cotton wipes, and just some extra stuff back here. The second drawer here, I have my tools that I use. These are nice and clean. I have some eyeshadow, and I use this for chrome. This is what I put my nail tips on. And then this little, I have some extra designs on there. I have a color wheel, so if I'm stuck on a design, I don't know what color to use, I put, you know, I use this. I have my pink dental dams, and I got these from Amazon. My pink gloves, those are also from Amazon. And I got some mini LED lights. This is from XoXo. And then this one is from Model Ones. And the third drawer is all my tips. All these are from Apres. And then I have this one from BT Art nail box. I also have some XoXo. These two are XoXo. And let's see what else. I have Diami. I got those as well. But most of them are from Apres nails. And then this one is just kind of catch-all. I got all my certifications in all these frames. This is my dry manicure certification, my XoXo certification. This is another XoXo certification, gel extructure, my nail technology diploma, and my actual nail license. And then I got some extension cord. I got some cords right here, and then some extra books. And I got the frames for these from Michaels or Joann's. And then the last drawer, it is some extra nail lamps that I really don't use these nail lamps. And then this is my XoXo bag. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe. If you want to know where something's from, just let me know. I'll try to link everything down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.
She left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams. Yeah, she's so holy. Got me back in on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe.